Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Pumpkin Step. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you earn money while walking. Now right off the bat, I'm just going to say guys that this might be a scam and it's too good to be true, since how can you earn money by walking? And as you can see right here, let's read some reviews. Great app, starting out, fun graphics. It doesn't say anything about the payout. Started, will let you know when I've used this for a while. Still trying this app, 2 stars, great so far. Hope is paying, so there's no payout at all. Keeps taking me out of whenever I try to exit certain ads, which causes me to lose coins times 2 that I was going to get, so changing my rating to a 4. I will come back after withdrawing, 3 stars. So all of these reviews right here, I haven't claimed that they have withdrawn any money. So as you can see, you can withdraw here through PayPal, $7, $8, and $9. So yeah, that is basically it guys. So I would advise you to stay away, or you can download this app if you want, but I would not get your hopes up if you can't withdraw. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.